Okay, the idea is to have a flat foot, flat foot, flat foot, flat foot. And the reason being is, if you're stepping flat-footed, all of that force is going straight down, and you've got it over a larger surface area. So you're not doing this or this. And that's really the idea behind this. When you find these conditions, avoidance is key. I mean, if you can avoid the conditions, that's really the key. But if you can't, what we want you to do is snap up, chest out, shoulders back, flat foot, flat foot. And that cognitive mind gets a model once it's on here, and that's the model that takes place when these conditions dictate.